How to create a survey on Smartsheet. Hello, welcome to our channel WebWiz, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create surveys on Smartsheet. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Smartsheet website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my Smartsheet dashboard already, and if you want to do this, you can just log in with your Google account, and that's pretty it. And if you want to create a survey on Smartsheet, of course, you want to the best way to create a surveys is by forms. So you can create forms in Smartsheet. Just click forms right here on the top and click create forms, and it will redirect you to this page where you can just edit this page right here. So as you can see, you can just remove this Smartsheet text right here because you need to have a better plan. So if you want to edit any of this content, you can just click it and it will appear right here on the right, and you can just change all the text that you want, and also the color you can just change it. And I'm just going to let the color like this for the sake of the video. So if you want to edit all of this content, you can just click it, and it's easy to edit, just like how you edit a survey on Google Forms and other form creating website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to enter a full name blank questionnaire, just edit this one and change the name to full name, and click the field type to text or a number field, and that's it. So it's better to delete all of this first and just add a content or fields if you want. Right here on the left, you can add full name, allocation, start date, end date, health status, etc., etc., contact details. You can also add headings if you want, and that's pretty much it. You can edit your form based on what you like, and after you're done editing all of the contents in your form, you can just go to the settings for more modifications. So as you can see, you can change the theme and brand of your form. You can change it to vertical, side by side, and plain. And you can also add security. You can add a require Smartsheet login to access this form. And you can also change the submission appearance. You can change it to bottom or top, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. And after you're done, you can just click save and just click share a form, and that's it. So now you can share your form to any of your friends email address. So basically you can share your form link, because you need to have a better plan for that. And yeah, pretty much that's it, and that's how you create forms in Smartsheet. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.